Melissa and Mickey here. I am so excited, you guys. It has been over a year and a half, maybe even 2 years since I've been able to go on an Adventures by Disney. And look what arrived today. We're going to do our very first box unboxing today. I am in 2 days, yes, in 2 days, going to Antarctica with Adventures by Disney Expedition Cruises. We have partnered with National Geographic. My husband and I are going. We are so very excited. So I wanted to give you a peek so you could see what our very first box looks like. Let's see what's inside. Adventures by Disney is the only way to see the world, and excellent Disney service. You have 2 adventure guides on every land excursion, and you get these cool little boxes. So let's look at this. First of all, these are my pins, and if you'll notice, I've been on and completed 15 Adventures by Disney's tours. My husband has completed 11, so this is kind of our rite of passage. So I love to get these pins. And along with that, you always get a lanyard. So here's our lanyard. We'll have our Adventures by Disney. We'll write our names on here. Since we're going to Antarctica and we're going to have big parkas on, I'm not real sure if we're going to be wearing these lanyards a lot, but I do on our land excursions and our cruises like to wear the lanyards with the pins. Now for every day, it says, thank you for joining us for an adventure of a lifetime. And boy, let me tell you, Antarctica is an adventures of a lifetime. I'm super excited about that. Now let's take a peek at our pins. I've never seen them come this way. Isn't this cool? So we're going to be on an 11-night Antarctica cruise. It's an expedition cruise partnered with National Geographic. We have Ushuaia, we have Shake or Lake, we have Go with the Flow, we have Parka Perfect. I bet we're going to be wearing a parka that day. You can only get these pins, by the way, on an Adventures by Disney expedition cruise, so they're very exclusive. Goodness Glaciers, how cute. Walk Like a Penguin, I bet we're going to see penguins that day. Whale Tails, Rite of Passage, that's going to be the famous Drake Passage. I can't wait to see how bumpy our ride is. We've got lots of seasickness medicine with us, but I'm super excited. Who gets to do that? So fun. Land Ahoy and Good Boy and Buoy. Good Buoy. I love that. And look, it's got the whole map here, and I'm super excited. Now, this came about 2 weeks prior to travel. So excited to open it, and stay tuned because after you watch this video, I'll be posting a future video that has the second box that arrived with all of our goodies inside. And don't forget that I am your Adventures by Disney expert. So if you are looking to go anywhere in the world with Adventures by Disney, contact Melissa and Mickey. Look at all my Adventures by Disney travels on YouTube. And best of all, contact me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. I am a Adventures by Disney expert, and it's my favorite destination that we offer. And don't forget to follow all my travels in Antarctica because we're going to be filming the whole entire time, and it starts Friday. That's 2 days. See you real soon.